Well, guys, Greta was right. Greta was right. Climate change is real. It was fall, and now it's winter. That is undeniable proof that global warming is real. Look how warm the world got. It's hot out here, guys. Even the snow is hot. Can't even touch it, it's so hot. Look at that. That's why I have to wear gloves. I have to wear gloves to protect my hands from getting burned on the hot snow. So guys, winter is upon us. I'm just out doing a grocery run. Got my grocery bag here. Thought I should do a grocery run and buy some vitamins. Buy some vitamin D, because right now there's no vitamin D coming from the sky. So I need some vitamin D, guys. So I'm just gonna do a grocery run. Do you know what that means? A grocery run? That means just a quick trip to the grocery store. Okay, if you make a quick trip to do something, you can use the word run. Okay, so this is another meaning of the word run. I mean, you know the normal meaning, right? To run fast. I can't run, guys, not in these clothes. I got my full winter garb on. I said I got my full winter garb on. Garb means clothing. Okay, so I got my winter garb. I can't run in winter garb, but you know the normal meaning of run. Actually, the word run, dog's trying to eat me for lunch. So the word run has a lot of meanings. It probably has like 100 different meanings. It can be used as a verb in the normal case, right? Running, I'm running somewhere, right? Not walking, running. Both those are verbs. Walk and run are verbs. But in this case, I'm saying I'm going to do a grocery run. That's not a verb, that's a noun. So the word run can also be a noun, and it has many meanings as a verb, and it has many meanings as a noun. So guys, I don't know, I'd say probably like 100 different meanings maybe. So in this meaning, I'm just gonna do a grocery run. That means I'm telling you, I'm just doing a quick trip to the grocery store to pick up some things. Okay, have you ever done a grocery run? You could do it, you could say you're doing a grocery run if you're walking or driving. You could drive to the grocery store. Okay, so this word run has nothing to do with using your legs. It doesn't mean that. It means a trip. So if you want to drive your car or walk or run, you could say I'm just running to the grocery store to do a quick grocery run. Okay, so there are two different meanings. Okay, so let's say you are going to your friend's house. Guys, it's hard to breathe out here. My lungs aren't used to the winter air. So let's say you're driving to your friend's house, you know, for a party or something, and you see that your gas tank is almost empty, and you could text your friend and say, hey, I'm just gonna do a gas run and then I'll be there in 5 minutes. So then you just stop at the gas station, You go to the gas station, you fill up gas, and then you go to your friend's house, right? So you were gonna go to your friend's house, but then you did a run for gas, a gas run, or something. You could say that, right? So there's different ways you can say it. I'm gonna make a run to the grocery store here. I'm just gonna make a quick. Very often we use the word quick, okay, because that's what this idea is. It's a quick trip to do something. Usually a small thing, something maybe not that significant. Okay, so you could say, I'm just gonna make a quick run to the gas station. Hey John, I'm gonna be a bit late. I just need to make a quick run to the gas station. Okay, or hey, there's some geese. Nice. They picked a good time to fly south for the winter. Except they're flying west to the mountains. The wrong way, geese. Need to go south. That way. So you could say, hey, I just need to make a quick run to the bank. I just need to make a quick run to the bank. Or I need to do a quick bank run. Okay, I need to do a quick bank run. Now, that could mean something else, which is a different meaning of the word run. A bank run. Guys, this word has so many different meanings. A bank run is where people go to the bank and take out their money because they don't trust the bank. They don't trust the government. Okay, so if the economy is suddenly in free fall, if something is in free fall, it's falling very fast. If suddenly everything's going bad and people are scared, they might go to the bank and take out their money. Because people know that the banks actually don't have enough money for everybody. Right? That's the whole idea of our money system, is that the banks say they have your money, but actually they don't. So this system, it's not important, but this system is called fractional reserve banking. You can look it up. So our Western financial system is built on this idea called fractional reserve banking. What does fraction mean? A fraction means a portion, like 1/2, 1/2, or 1/4. Those are called fractions. Okay. So what does the word reserve mean? It means you keep something in reserve. Right? So the banks, they should have all your money. They should have it, right? But they don't. The government has decided banks don't need to give you all your money. The banks just need to hold a little bit of the money. Okay, so anyway, that's not the purpose of this video. But anyway, that's called fractional reserve banking, if you want to look it up. So it's criminal, if you ask me. I mean, if you go to the bank and you say, give me my money, they should give you your money, but they won't. So if 100 people go to the bank, say, give me my money, they won't have it. Right? So here in Canada, if you want to take out like $10,000, you know, I think you have to book an appointment you have to call them and say, look, I want to take out my money. And they'll say, well, okay, give us like a few business days. Give us like 2 or 3 business days, and we will give you your money, right? I don't know. I've never taken out large amounts of cash, I don't think, in my life. Don't even have large amounts of cash, guys. Maybe one day I'll have a large amount of cash, and I can go to the bank and say, give me my money. And they'll say, get out of here. They won't do it, guys. They it's it's a crime, if you ask me. So what was I saying? I'll run on, yeah, so this idea, when people lose confidence in the financial system and they go to the bank to take out their money because they're worried, that's called a run on the banks, a run on the bank. Okay, or a bank run. Okay, so yeah, I just thought about that because when I said I'm gonna do a quick bank run, it could have, you know, the word, like the one I just described where people are worried, that's a big thing, right? That's not a normal that's not something you would say normally in English. Now, if you're talking about the economy and how bad it is, you could say, I think there's going to be a bank run, or I think there's going to be a run on the bank. You know, that is clear that you're talking about that specific context. But if we're just talking casually, and I say I need to do a quick bank run, that just means I need to go to the bank, maybe just do some pay a bill, maybe pay some bills, maybe take out a few bucks, or do something. I don't know. It's just some quick trip to the bank. Okay, I need to make a quick run to the bank. Okay, so I'm just wondering, which verb do we use, make or do? I need to make a quick run to the bank. I need to do a quick run to the bank. You could do both of those. You could use both of them, okay? I need to do a quick run to the grocery store. I need to make a quick run to the grocery store. I need to make a quick bank run. I need to do a quick bank run. I think you can use both of those verbs, make or do. Okay, so look at this snow, guys. That's about how much it snowed. I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 inches probably. Yeah, probably about 2 or 3 inches it snowed. Maybe more than that over there, like over on the, I don't know. Could be more than 2 or 3 inches. But anyway, so run. It can have many different meanings, but in this video, I'm teaching you the meaning to make a quick trip somewhere. Just need to quick run. I need to make a quick run to John's house to grab my whatever you lent John. Right? He borrowed something from you. You lent it to him. Okay, so what did you lend? Have you ever lent something to someone? Maybe a book, or maybe a video game. Super Mario Brothers. I don't know. You know, so you need to make a quick run to his house to pick up something, and you know, or I need to make a quick run to my neighbor's house to grab some eggs. I don't have any eggs. I'm baking cookies. Oh no, I don't have any eggs. I don't have enough time to make a run to the grocery store, so I'm just gonna do a quick run to the neighbor's house. You knock on your neighbor's door, say, hey, do you have an egg? Can I borrow an egg? Have you ever done that before? Borrowed something from your neighbor, like an egg? So anyway, guys, that's that meaning of run. So I'm just gonna do a quick grocery run here. Look at my nice colorful grocery bag. You know, hopefully you don't have the runs today. Do you know what that means? If you have the runs, it means you have diarrhea. Diarrhea. So that's but that's always plural. Okay, that's runs. It's never run. Okay, in that meaning. So you could tell your friend, I have the runs. It means you have diarrhea. Maybe you don't want to go jogging with them because you have the runs. Or you could ask someone, do you have the runs? That would be a bit of a strange question, right? But maybe they tell you, maybe they've told you, I'm sick. I have the flu. You could ask them, oh no, me too. Do you have the runs? Maybe you want to know, do they have, what are their symptoms? Maybe you're asking them, do they have diarrhea? So you could say, do you have the runs? Okay, so like I said, guys, this word run, it can be used in many ways with many different meanings. You know, I could try to make a video of all the different meanings of run. That video would probably be a few hours long. So I just wanted to make a quick video to teach you this meaning of grocery run and show you the winter wonderland that we're living in now. If you're in Canada, welcome to winter wonderland. So guys, as always, hope you're doing great. Hope you're staying safe, healthy, happy. As always, I love you so much. And well, from here in snowy Alberta, Canada, I'll wish you a great day. And as always, I'll see you over in the next episode of Mad English TV. Take care.